Hey guys, in today's mindset and motivation video, we're going to talk about the power of having a vision board, how to make it, and where you can place it so you can see your goals every single day. And why is it important to have a vision board? We're going to cover that in today's video. Okay guys, today we're going to talk about the vision board and the importance of a vision board. I've been using vision boards for the last 11 years since I hit rock bottom. When I hit rock bottom, I really had to grab a hold of my life. I had to grow up, and number one, I had to create a clear vision. So I started to really study deep the most successful people in the world. And what I found is there was a couple things that they did. They had a clear vision of where they were going. They wrote their goals down every single day, and they were very positive and spoke good, healthy thoughts to themselves. Now this stuff takes practice. One of the biggest tools I use was vision boards, and I use them all the time. And right now I'm about to recreate one of my vision boards to really get my business to the next level. Now a vision board is just putting something on paper so you can visually see it every single day. And where the mind goes, the body will flow. Now it's just like when you're a kid doing arts and crafts, and in my book, The You Must Believe Way of Life, that you can get on jvimpacts.com for free. In the book, it talks about vision boards, and it's going to show you exactly how to do it. But right now, I'm going to show you how I create my vision boards. I'm not going to build the whole thing, but I'm going to show you an example. So here's what I use. Poster board. I bought it at Fry's grocery store for $1.99 for 5 poster boards. This one I'm going to build right now is for the JV Impacts brand and the 3T method and our new supplement company that we're linking up with, which we're very, very excited about. So they're not a new supplement company. We get to link up with them, which we're very excited about to work side by side with the supplement company. All right, guys, so very important to reset my vision. So I print out pictures. So we talk about being number one in impacting lives every single day. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place that, so I have my handy dandy glue stick, so I got Elmer's glue stick. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place this right here on my actual board here. So I take it just like you're back in school, and you can cut it out, you can make it fancy. It's a visual way to get to your goals. So I'm going to place the number one right there in the middle. Now for me, the number one represents a lot of things. Number one means number one in impacting lives. We want to have the number one podcast. We want to have the number one fitness brand. We want to be the number one affiliate with the supplement company we're working with. And we also want to take the 3T method, the fat shredding program, to number one. Also JV Impacts and speaking as well. So I have the 3T method, which is our fitness brand, our 12-week body transformation. That's going to go here on my vision board. We have $1 million bill, which we're going to work to get to $1 million in revenue within the next 18 months. Booked paid speaker. So these are things that I'm working to manifest. So that's already in the works and already being done. So I'm really big on tithing and giving back. So I'm a board member for Habitat for Humanity. So I want to tithe a certain amount to Habitat for Humanity to build homes for people. A picture of my church. I want to bring tons of money back to my church, so it's important to me to have a picture of my church and Habitat for Humanity. And our new supplement company we're going to be linking up with. I'll just give you a quick flash of this one because I don't want to let the cat out of the bag. But we're going to be linking up with a supplement company as an affiliate, one of the best supplement companies out there. I've been following them for a long time for their honesty, integrity, and most of all the fact that they test all products to put them on their website. So it's very important, and it's not easy to get linked up with them, and we got the opportunity to link up with them, which we're very honored. So I'm not going to reveal what that supplement company that is. It's coming up on Friday. We'll make that announcement. And then of course the JV Impacts podcast. So all these things are going to go on my vision board here. So once they go on my vision board, I will place it up here in the office. And what I'll do is I will focus on it every single day. I will look at it. I will look at it in the morning. I'll look at it at night before I go to bed. And I've been doing this for 11 years, guys, and it's absolutely changed my life. I have vision boards that had on there for me being a paid speaker while I was in corporate America. Well, guess what? I've left corporate America, and now I'm a paid speaker. Does everything on your vision board come true exactly like you want it? No, absolutely not. But what it does is it puts you in a state of mind where you're able to visualize, already see where you want to be, and where your mind goes, your body will flow. So I'd highly recommend that every 6 months you create a vision board, a vision of where you want your personal life to go, a vision of where you want your professional life to go, and look at it every single day when you wake up and every single day when you go to bed. So this is one thing that you can do that will tremendously impact your life, your motivation, your inspiration every single day. Now I'll share with you. If you don't manifest or get what you want on this vision board, move it to your next vision board. Like there's some things on my vision board that have not manifested yet. I'm going to keep moving them and keep moving them. But I have number one in the middle because we want to be number one in the fitness arena. We want to be number one at tithing back to Habitat for Humanity in our church. We want to be number one actually in a million in revenue in 18 months. And we also want to be the top paid speaker. Now these are your dreams and your goals. I would highly recommend that you stretch yourself. You know, have a target in your head. And when you plant that seed, you put that seed into your mind, you can focus on it every single day. So it's important to believe it in your mind, visualize it on a vision board, and then go out there and take action. So faith without actions is absolutely foolish. So this is one technique you can use in your daily regimen to get yourself motivated, to get yourself inspired, and I'd highly recommend starting it today. So if you want to lose weight, put the picture of exactly what you want to look like on your vision board. So as always, if you have any questions, you have any comments, or you have any feedback on what you would like to see on the JV Impacts YouTube channel here, please let us know. We're here to inspire, and we're here to impact someone's life every single day. Thank you guys. We love you, and we'll check in with you soon.